Top 5 AI tools that will save you hours in 2026. Imagine finishing hours of work in just a few minutes. Sounds impossible, right? But with AI tools, it's now a reality. In this video, we're going to explore the top 5 AI tools that can boost your productivity, save time, and make your work easier than ever. Let's get started. At number 5, we have ChatGPT. This AI tool can help you write content, generate ideas, answer questions, and even help with coding. It's like having a smart assistant available 24/7 to help you complete tasks faster. At number 4 is Canva. With its AI features, you can create stunning designs, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and presentations in minutes, even if you have no design experience. Coming in at number 3 is Midjourney. This AI tool turns simple text prompts into incredible images and artwork. Just describe what you want, and the AI will generate amazing visuals in seconds. At number 2, we have Runway ML. This powerful AI video tool lets you edit videos, remove backgrounds, add cinematic effects, and even generate videos from text prompts. And at number 1 is Pictory AI. This tool can turn a simple script into a complete video with voiceover, visuals, and captions automatically. It's perfect for YouTube creators who want to produce videos quickly. So those were the top 5 AI tools that can save you hours of work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI and tech content.